If you want to request, mastering indirect requests in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're delving into the realm of indirect requests, more specifically, how to use if statements to make these requests politely and naturally. Indirect requests are a way of asking someone to do something without actually saying, "Please do this." Instead, we use certain structures, and if statements are one of these. They allow us to ask for something more subtly, making our communication more nuanced and polite. For example, instead of saying, "Can you close the window?" which might sound a bit direct, we could say, "If you could close the window, that would be great." Forming if statements for indirect requests involves using the pattern. If you could, verb, that would be adjective. For instance, if you could pass the salt, that would be helpful. If you could give me a moment, that would be appreciated. Another common pattern is, if you wouldn't mind, verb plus ing, outcome or benefit. For example, if you wouldn't mind waiting, I'll be with you shortly. If you wouldn't mind turning down the music, we could focus better. Let's try to practice these if statements. Here are a few scenarios, and we'll attempt to transform direct requests into indirect ones. Scenario 1. You want your colleague to send you a report. Direct. Send me the report. Indirect. If you could send me the report, that would be really helpful. Scenario 2. You want someone to stop talking loudly on the phone in a library. Direct. Stop talking loudly. Indirect. If you wouldn't mind lowering your voice, everyone could concentrate better. Now, it's your turn. Take a moment to think about how you would convert these direct requests to indirect ones using if statements. 1. Direct. Give me a glass of water. 2. Direct. Please turn off the lights. Feel free to pause the video and try to form your responses. And that's it for today. Mastering indirect requests using if statements can make your English sound more polite and natural. It might feel a little complex at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for joining me in today's lesson. As always, remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson.